Na kukhona umuntu azawukhuluma nami isilungu ngathi ngasizwa kuseneyinsuku kuba kuzoba nobugudlugudlu obuzoba khona empilweni yami.
Look at this.
From 2022 to date.
Abe hayi.
Just after the arrest of AKA.
Jesus!
What did you say? What did you say?
Lo muntu lento ayikhuluma yangizwa.
Let me repeat this. Nizozwa kahle.
It came just after the arrest of AKA.
Your parents would be like, you must go to that school and you must learn to speak good English.
Senzo Mewa is a national key point. It's a national asset. It's not ordinary member where someone can say someone has been gunned out, then as the head of the house, I'll also go there. But because it was a national goalkeeper, we all had to react.
And one thing that I've noticed, the good side about not knowing English, you survive at work.
What do you mean by that?
People who know English, they easily get fired. I get my papa, they must explain. Where were you? So, sir, my dog was sick. Then this other day, I had a fracture on my fired.
Kusafuna ngibuyele kulabo othisha babengifundisa isingisi. Lento yami nje ayizwakali nje inhlobo nje madoda. Ayizwakali nje inhlobo.
Look at this.
About lawa manye other political parties lawa amhlukumezayo abhiza kanyaka zesumsholozi kodwa engeke azalunge.
Anywhere there must take out there anywhere there. For this one altogether from 1976 for Holy Mandela there.
Yeah.
Anywhere from Jacob Zuma anywhere there.
Hey, kahle hey. Ivale mfana.